Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 24 divide 1 by 6 then multiply 12. So most people solve this question like 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. Now 1 multiplied 2 is equal to 2. So is equal to the expression is become 24 divided 2. Now 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division, fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So here is division and here is multiplication. Both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. Okay. So is equal to 24. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this 24 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. F means flip this second fraction. 1 by 6 is equal to 6 by 1. Multiply 12. Okay. Now here is the expression become, here is only one, so we can write this expression as 24 multiply 6 multiply 12. Okay. Now here is multiplication and here is multiplication. So both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So 24 multiply 6 is equal to 144. Okay. Then multiply 12. Now 144 multiply 12 is equal to 1728. So the correct answer is 1728. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.